Okay. Welcome muli po ngayon. We're live here right now sa Newton British Academy. Ito pa yung Newton School po, ang katabi po ng Lulu Barwa. To witness again another basketball action between Do Ignite, clad in blue and green combination po yan. Green, all green po yan. And of course now, ang class po na wearing new colors, clad in blue. Ito po ang Doha Friendly League, aka the Titos and Titas League po tayo. Ayan. Ito po ang Doha Friendly League, aka Titos and Titas League po. Welcome po yan. 3 games po tayo. 3 games basketball action po tayo for tonight. Three games po tayo. 3 games basketball action between Do Ignite and CAS or Qatar Aviation Services. Yan. Okay. Do Ignite po and CAS. Teka lang. Tangin sa ganda. Tayo lang po tayo ha. Standby po tayo. Nagsiset up pa kasi. Tsaka nag-warm pa lang both teams so between CAS and of course Doha Ignite. Clad in all green po yan. Dark green and new yung green po. Dito naman po, new colors po sila ngayon. Clad in black and blue combination ng kanilang uniforme. CAS and Doha Ignite. Come up next. Come up next is CAS and Doha Ignite. Okay. Intro po natin. This is your Do Friendly League, aka Titos and Titas League po tayo yun. Featuring the following sponsors: Thread the Needles and Team LBC, Hari ng Padala. And of course, SBP Pilipinas and PSBQ Basketball League. Featuring now the first game for today, CAS versus Do Ignite. Dito po tayo sa Newton Bar Village, Newton British Academy in Doha. Ito pa yung Newton po na malapit po sa Lulu ng Barwa. Maraming salamat po. And after this po is ano ba naman to? After this, that first game po will be now In-Flights versus Mechanicos. After po yan po. But first of all, let's start first a game between CAS and Doha Ignite. Game. Tara, laban na. CAS, Doha Ignite po tayo yun. Okay, in terms of first quarter action is about to start right now. First quarter action about to start. CAS and Doha Ignite. Okay, first starting lineup na para sa Doha Ignite. 12, 48, 17, 27 at si number 31. Sa kabila naman, CAS 0, 34, 12, 8 at si number sino pang huli? Ayan. Number 34. Yan. Si Isa. Yung kanilang mga sentro. Game. CAS and Do Ignite po. Game start. Okay, ito na po tayo yun. Cast Do Ignite po tayo. Cast and Do Ignite. Game start po tayo yun. Sir Aris, thank you po for watching. 27. Binababa ang bola. And the sky play. And one play kaagad ang binanata ng bata. Number 17, shooting for the bonus free throw. That's Natividad. Number 17, shooting for the bonus free throw. Manalo, bonus free throw, pasok. Okay, 3 love kagad ang binanatan nila, 3 love. 3 love kagad ang binanatan. Aris sila, nanonood po ngayon. Good evening po, sir. Number 0. Number 8, malakas. Number 8, on the attack po ngayon ang number 17. 17, piece of pass muna, malakas. 23, si Ian. Ian, binababa ang bola. Ian. Isa. Ayun, malakas nga lang. One more time. One more rebound battle won by number 12. Nope, it's number 34. Number 34. Barrel through. Malakas. Number 0. Wala pa rin. 48. 48 now. Pinapasa na ngayon. Pinapaba ngayon. 31. 31. Aspan. Aspan. Yes, sir. 2 points. Again. 5-9 po ng score po ngayon. Lumalagwa po ngayon ang team Do Ignite. Number 0. Pasok ang bola. First shot by number 0. Pasok. That's Olen. Oler. Oler 12. 27. Number 12 again. Driving stroke. Floater shot. No good. Rebound by Oler. Ayun na. Pinasa kay number 23. 2 points. Number 23, 2 points. Scott. Ingat, Sir Martin. Salamat, Sir. Patula ka rito, Sir Aris. Scott is also watching already also. Pops up, 27. Pumasok ang bola. 27, 3 points. The score rate is 8-4. 8-4, number 12 ng Cast. Binababa ang bola. Villanueva. Na-intercept ang bola. Again, umatake na naman. 17. Piece of pass. 2 points again. 2 points. Oler. Isa. Isa. Pops up. No good. Ignite naman ang bola. Nalos. 17. Pops up. 2 points again. 2 points 17. Back to back free throw. Sabi ni Aris, di daw siya kasali. Wala daw pambayad daw sa uniforme. O sige. Okay lang yun. See you next season. No good. Rebound battle won by, of course, same ball. Same ball po tayo. Same ball. Same ball po tayo. Same ball. Number 8. Inbound po ang number 8. Number 8 for the inbound. Pula po pula daw. Sabi ng Rebe, pula. Villanueva, Ian. Isa. Kay Oler. No good. Nakuha ni Isa ang bola. Isa, barrel through. Stepping violation, sabi ng referee. Stepping violation called on Isa. Balik puli pa sa Do Ignite ang bola. The score is 12-4 at 6 minutes 40 remaining first quarter action. Carbonell Kenji is watching already also. Good evening, sir. Pops up for 3. No good. Rebound. Tap to the wrong person. And one more time. Wala pa rin. Oh! Green ball. Green ball. Green ball po tayo. Green ball, green ball, green ball. Intercepted sana. And side step move. Malakas. Oler. Oler. Nagmamadali. Oler. 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 23. Oler again. Pops up. Short stop. Malakas. One more time. Dish pass. Ayun. Touch pass. Oler. No good. And same ball sana. Pero 17. Binababa ang bola. Oleya pala. Sorry. Oleya. Wala bumatok eh. Isa. Naka-rebound naman. Oleya. Oleya pops up. Bang! 2 points. 2 points Olea. Eto na. Matayas. 31, driving strong. Wala. Rebound battle won by the Blue Shirts. Blue Shirts, diretso na, dapitan. 2 points. 2 points dapitan and change. Line na po tayo yun. Change line na po tayo mga boss. Para tayo nga pinapainitin dito. Kabila naman, pinapalimig tayo. Change line na po tayo yun. Second line na po is 24, 22, 31. Retains po si 12. At si 17. Sa kabila naman, of course, 30, 37. Sino pa? Number 2. Sino pa? Isa pa. At si number 25 naman sa Team CAS. 4 minutes 59 remaining first quarter action. The score is 12-8. Laman ng 4 ang Team Ignite. Number 24, Kapos. 27, hindi umabot. Umabot, 22, play the way shot. Wala. 37, umili na mga basahan. 37, pinasa kay 25. To number 2. Number 2, dish of pass, floater shot, no good. Same ball po sana, pero lost the ball. Balik muli po sa Team Ignite ang bola. Kick pass. 31, a span for 3. No good. Rebound battle won by the Blue Shirts. Not swipe away. Hindi nakita sa likod. One more time. Wala pa rin. Sa ilalim. Dilabas muna. Balik sa ilalim. And 3-second violation. Pinanatan ng referee. Too much passing, my friend. Balik po tayo muli sa ating loob. Number 2, 37. Binabati ng bola. Binababa ang bola po yung number 37. Ramos. Asinjo. And now, pinasa muli. 37. Asinjo. No good. Rebound by the green shirts. Nandun si Natividad. Fumble ng Bagya. Again, Lisbo. A spam for 3. No good. Lost the ball. One more time. Pagwasok ang bola. The score is 14-8. Laman ng 6 na naman ang Team Ignite. 12. What a play! Parang Loli Luxin ang ginawa niya. The tank. Okay, ito po, 12. Pops number 3 again. No good. Rebound by 25. Binababa ng number 20 pang bola. 25. Malakas. Asinjo. Foul called. Lisbo. Called for a foul. Asinjo shooting for 2. Nope, it's not a shooting foul po yan. Inbound po si number 25. 25 now for the inbound. Inbound, number 25. Asing, number 37. Kapos. Nice try. Ayun. Easy to again. Nice shot, J. Ramos. Asinjo, side step move, Kapos. One more time. One more chance, barrel through. Malakas. Okay, napapasa na muli. 37. Easy to again. Okay, don't look now. 18-10 ang score na po natin yun. Lamang na 8 ang Ignite. Number 30. 37. Number 2 again. No good. 31. Pops up. No good. One more time. Number 12. 37, 31 again. Pops up. No good. Rebound by number 27 again. 27. Asinjo. Number 2. 2 points number 2. Parang ano, tangke. The tank. Okay, balik po tayo si number 12. 22. No good. 2 shots given. Foul number 25, number 22, 2 shots given, shooting for 2. Number 22, 2 shots given, first shot. Pops up. Pasok. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Arisila Ulibes, rated ng mid-madinat na yan. Sabi daw. Pops up. Tapos. Rebound, Beasinjo. 25. Nagmamadali. Pinasa kay J. Ramos. 37 for 3. Bang! Chris. Okay, mukhang nabubuhayan muli ang Cas. Cas nabubuhayan muli. Off shot, rebound, battle. Fade away shot, wala pa rin. Asinjo na naman naka-rebound. Asinjo, binababa ang bola. Asinjo. 2 points Asinjo. Ayan, nabuhay na naman ang Cas. Manalo. J. No good. Rebound, battle won. Put back by number 17. What a put back by number 17. 17. Delima. For 3. Nope. Intercepted. And wala na. Okay, end of the first quarter. The score is 20-17. Laman ng 4 po ang Team Ignite. Do Ignite po, laman po ng 4 coming. Laman po ng 4 ang Do Ignite. Okay, second quarter action start. Okay, second quarter action. Sa Cas, number 1, number 10, number 11, number 0 at C. Sino pang-4? 1, 2, 3, 4. Kulang. Okay, number 1. Kabila naman, eto na. Ruiz. Ayun, sana, sayang. Nabasa nga lang. Oh, foul called. 2 shots given. Number 11 called for the foul. 2 shots given. Number 12 shooting for 2. First shot, number 12. Pops up. Kapos. Second shot, jumpers ready. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Pasok. Nice shot. Again, roll down. Binabababot. 22-17. Lamang ng 5 ang Team Ignite. Babagay. Nanonood na rin po. Oleya. Pasok ang bola. Kay Oleya. 22-19 ang score. Eto na. 12. 22. 12 na naman. Nakalusot. Na-intercepted. Wala nga lang. Buhay ang bola. Malakas ang bola. Pataas. Eto na naman tayo. 12. 24. Pops up for 3. Pasok ang bola. 3 points. Number 24. 3 points. Roll done. Oleya. 2 points Oleya. Easy 2. 25-21. Lamang ng 4 ang Team Ignite. 8 minutes 52 remaining. Second quarter action. 22. Binabantayan. Palpal, pero may foul. Sumabit. Jersey number 10 called for a foul. Collis number 22 shooting for 2. Collis number 22 shooting for 2 at 8 minutes 40 seconds remaining second quarter action. 22 pops up. Pasok. 22 second shot, jumpers ready. Number 22 second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Wala. Rebound by 22 again. 22 kapos. Blue ball. Sabi daw blue ball. Number 1. Binababa ni Roldan ng bola. Roldan. Nako. Mataas ang pasa. Same ball. Nice save by number 8. Foul called by Nalos. Nalos foul from behind. Same ball pa rin po tayo. 11 po. Cornelia for the inbound. And number 1, Roldan. Setting the ball. Malakas. Same ball. Touchless by Green Boys. Same ball. Touchless. Roldan. Pinapasa. Number 8, Oleya. Pops up. No good. Rebound by number 28. And nawala. Wala pa rin. 27. Nalos. Pasok ang bola kay Nalos ang bola. Nalos. Shot made. It's good. Balik muli tayo. Ito na naman si Roldan. Oleya pops up. Bang! 2 points again. 28-23 lamang ng 5 ang Team Ignite. Lisbo, binabantay na number 11. 22. Nalos again. Nalos driving strong. Wala. Oleya naka-rebound. Oleya, binabantayan. Roldan. Fumble. Fade away shot. No good. Buhay ang bola kay Oleya. Nakailoy ang bola. Oleya! 2 points. 2 points Oleya at 6 minutes 27 remaining. 28-25. Samoyot. Papsak. No good. Rebound again. Roldan. Foul. Foul called. Shooting for 2 si Roldan. 6 minutes 5 remaining second quarter action. Pops up, kapos. Sumobra ng konti. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Roldan, second shot, jumpers ready. Pops up. Okay, nothing but net. Laman ng apat. 28-26. Almost steal the ball. Sayang nga lang. Lisbo for 3. No good. Rebound by number 8. Oleya for 3. Tapos. One more time. Oleya. Sidestepping move. Pops up. No good. Rebound by number 48. Jambuyot. Nalos for 3. Pops up. Malakas. 24. Pasok. 30-26. Roldan. And one play made. Roldan counted. Shot counted kay Roldan plus bonus free throw. Bonus free throw para kay Mr. Roldan. For the bonus free throw. To trim the lead. It's in. 30-29 na score po natin at 5 minutes 19 remaining. Nice interception. Sana. Palpal. Nice D. Nice D. Nice D. Nice D. And change pipe po tayo. Change pipe po tayo. Now, sino po ang change pipe po nila? Sa cash po, 34, 23, 27, 12 at si number 30. Sa kabila naman, 17, 22, 14, 31 at 48. Eto na. Bang! Kapos. Rebound battle. Stepping on the line. Balik muli po tayo sa blue shirts. 30-29. 30-29. Number 30. Binababa ang bola ng Cas. The blue shirts on the attack. Isa lost the ball. Ayun. Number 17. 2 points. Number 17. Easy to. 12. 12 binabantayan. 12. And pops up. No good. Rebound. Number 27. Again, one more time para kay Ian. Ian to Dapitan. To Ian again. Ian driving strong. Floater shot. Touch last by the Green Boys. Ian. Isa. Pops up. Malakas. 2 points. Nice shot by number 21. Gumamit ng bank and glass and ring. Pasok. 32-31. Laman na lang po na isa ang Ignite. 17. Binabantayan. 27. Isa. Bantay sarado. Good ball. Dapitan Express. Pumapasok na. Pops up for 3. Nako, kapos. Ayun si Ian. Pasa pala yun. Change favor na po tayo. 30-33. Kasa po. Laman po ng kasang isa. 17. Eva. Number 14. Eva 14. Shot. No good. 30. Naka-rebound. Nagkat mamapasahan. 8 seconds yan. Okay. Tatawid ang bola. Ayun kay Ian. Sayang. 2 shots given para kay Ian. Ian off-handed shot plus bonus free throws muna. Hindi pumasok kasi. Free throws po para kay Ian. Number 23. 2 free throws. 23. Free throws po tayo. Pasok. Second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. Number 23. Sabi ni Scott, solid. Sabi ni Fred Di Macalit, solid talaga. Boss Martin, salamat. Villanueva, pops up again. Wala. Na-rebound din number 38. 48 ang bola. Yung kanilang sentro. Yung kanilang pader. And now kay Manalo. Number 14, Eva. 22, pops up. No good. Number 30. Kay Isa. Pinaskate, Dapitan. Naipit na konti. Isa. Barrel move. Kapos. 31. 2 points. 31. 2 points, number 31. Number 30 again. Number 30, tinuwid ang bola. Number 30, Isa. Malakas ang pasa kay Isa. 30 for all. Again, for the lead. Hop, kick ball. Violation. Kick violation. Huwag mo nang bibigay, please. Huwag mo nang bibigay. Walang bakasyon bukas. 22. Eva, 14. 31. Bishop, kay Manalo. Pasok. Balik muli ang kalamangan muli po sa Team Ignite. Asinjo. Okay. Makalinaw. Ian. Asinjo. Pinat for 3. No good. Nice rebound by Asinjo. Sayang nga lang. Stepping on the line. Asinjo stepping on the line. Balik muli sa Ignet ang bola at 1 minute 20 remaining. Second quarter action. Ito po tayo number 14. Number 14. Binaba ang bola. Eva. Ang pangalan niya. Nice. K22. Pasok sana. Plus 2 point sana. Okay, number 22 shooting for 2. First shot, 22. Pasok. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo.
1 minute remaining.
A minute and 1 remaining. Both baskets made. Lamang muli po ng 4 ang Ignite. Number 30, Ian. Cutting, 30, Kapos. Again, 31 naka-rebound. Ian intercepted. Intercepted, dapitan. Asinjo sa ilalim. Ginamit, sayang nga lang. Nice foul. Nice fishing. Asinjo 27 shooting for 2. 34 seconds remaining. Second quarter action. Pops up. Out. Second shot. Jumpers ready. Asinjo. Second shot. Pasok. 38, 35, 30 seconds remaining. Naman ng tatlo ang Ignite. Eva. Nice interception. Nice raid. Nice pass, Red. Again now, 12. Asinjo again. Asinjo. 2 points Asinjo. Laman ng isa. Eva again. Eva. 31 for 3. Bang! Nice shot by number 31. Official score 41-37. Lamang ng 4 ang Doha Ignite. The Green Boys is in. The Green Boys. Amen. Okay, balik tayo. Sorry ha. Laman ng anim muli po ang Ignite. Change sport na po tayo. Manalo, pops up. No good. Rebound battle. Kanina po referee, same ball. Ang sabi ng referee ay same ball daw. Same ball, same ball, same ball. 9 minutes 31 remaining, 43-37. Third quarter action na po tayo mga boss, mga madam. Eba, thinking 3. Nope, ayaw niya. Pops up. Kapos. Rebound again. Lisbo for 3. Wala pa rin. Naka-rebound na rin si Olea. Okay, now. Roldan. Onan. 12. Good ball. Fumble. Sayang. Nalos for 3. Bang! Nothing but net kay Nalos. Nothing but net. 46-37. Roldan, naipit ang konti. Intercepted again. Counter-decepted. Olea. 2 points, Olea. Olea, 2 points. 46-39. Laman pa rin po ng 8. Wala, 7. Lamang ng 7 ang Team Ignite. Op! Game. Back to the ball game. Pops up. Bang! Shooters now, pumapasok na. Umiinit ang mga shooters ng Ignite. Olea again. Tapos. Eva, pinapatay ni number 8. Pops up. Tapos, rebound kay Olea. Roldan, hindi napusa ng bola. Again, Nalos for 3. Bang! And timeout called by team. Alam mo na. Timeout, Cas. 51-39. Lamang na po ng 11 ang Team Ignite. You're watching right now the teams of Ignite and Cas Quenig of sa ating first game po. Now, ito po ang ating second game. In-Flights versus Mechanicals. Okay, marami sana po. And back to the ball game ulit tayo. Roldan, inbounding. 7 minutes 36 remaining. Third quarter action. Intercepted. And Lisbo, 2 points. Easy 2. Roldan, malakas. Roldan shooting for 2 for sure. Roldan shooting for 2. The score is 53-39. Pops up. Tapos. Second shot, jumpers ready. Roldan. Pops up. It's in. Labang po na 13 ang Ignite. 53-40. 7 minutes 13 remaining. Third quarter action. Intercepted by Roldan. Naksayang. Good ball. Cast ball. Nice defense. Nice defense by Mon. 2 points. 2 points, Mon. Kumat lang si Mon. Pumasok. Again, Roldan counting the defense. 12, 14. Nalos again. Pumuposisyon. Nalos binabantayan. Disho pass kay 17. 17 pops up, kapos. 31. Nalos binabantayan. Nalos. Eba for 3. Nope. Rebound battle won by Roldan. Takbo. Asinjo. Pops up. Balakas. Aray. 17. The sky play. 12. Kapos. Pops up. Wala pa rin. Pops up. 2 points. Good ball. Roldan nagmamadali. Roldan. Mon. Stepping on the line. Balik muli po tayo sa ignite ng bola. 17. Kay Evan na naman. 14. 55-42. 27 for 3. Kapos. Pinato. Ayun. Naiwan mag-isa. Roldan. Easy 2. And timeout called by Team Ignite. Laman po ng 11, 55-44. Ignite still leading the game or igniting the way for another win. Ito po yan. You're watching right now, Cast versus Do Ignite. After this po is Inflights versus The Mechanicos. Kaya nasan po kayo, Inflights Mechanicos? Pag magpunta na po kayo dito sa Lulu, Barwa area. Ito po ang Newton British Academy. Pero load muna po tayo ng Cast versus, of course, Do Ignite. Back to the ball game. The score is 55-44 at 5 minutes 19 remaining. Third quarter action. Medyo. Meron. Tipid naman yan, tipid. Sa kabila naman, talaga todo. Eba. Walang pinasan si Eba. Roldan again, Roldan. Villanueva, Mon, malakas. Nalos. Intercepted almost. Nice guard by Dapitan. Parang nice guard by Dapitan. Nice hustle play. Again, Eba. Hop. Lisbo. Foul call. Number 12 again. Eva. Number 12 pops up. Bang! 3 points. Dalawa na ang gumagana sa labas. 50-44. Laban ng 14 na naman. Intercepted by Eva. Eva. Ayun. Naiwan mag-isa. Again. 16. 60-44. Umalagwa. Tapitan, foul called.
Jersey number 14, that's the second personal foul.
Number inbounding na by Roldan. Roldan inbounding for the inbound. Roldan. Oleya, fadeaway shot, malakas, Mon. Sayang. This ball, foul called. Aspan shooting for 2. Oleya called for the foul. 3 minutes 38 remaining. Aspan, first shot. Wala. Second shot, Aspan, jumpers ready. Second shot, Aspan, jumpers ready. Pops up, wala pa rin. Rebound by Roldan. Oleya, lost the ball. Again, 4-on-2. Rebound by Nalos. Nalus for 3. Bang! 3 points Nalus. Olea against Nalus. Olea, 2 points to Olea. 63-48, 3 minutes remaining. 3 minutes remaining. Huy! Backing violation. Balik muli po tayo sa ano. Okay. Roldan. Ian. Roldan. Slicing sway. Walang foul. Manalo. Nakuha niya ng bola. Nice training job by Ian. Roldan. Olea. 2 points Olea. Kinuha pa. 63-48. Labang ng 15. 15-point lead advantage still by Do Ignite. Pops up again. Kapos. Rebound by number 12. Again, Roldan. Iyan. 2 points Iyan. Labang ng 13. Kumakain. Hoy! Back. Balik muli po sa blue shirts ang bola. 12. Again, 12 again. 12. Dapitan. To Olea again. Olea, power move to Olea. 2 points Olea. Olea slowly but surely. Binabanatan niya. Unti-unti. Gumagapang ang Eva Diso. Pass mo na. Oh, traveling violation. Unting-unting gumagapang uli ang team. Good ball. Ilan. 2 points Iyan. Baba sa siyam na naman ang kalamangan ng Ignite. 44 seconds remaining. Third quarter action. 63-54, laman ng siyam. Wala na! Shot clock violation expired. Wala na shot clock, no off. 63-54, foul called. Oo. Foul, jersey number 12. 18 seconds remaining. Roldan, inbounding pa rin. Okay, Ian, nakakuha ng bola. Ian Villanueva. Dapitan. Roldan again, Roldan. Ian again, Ian! No good! Nalus for 3. Wala na, sayang. After 3 quarters po, lamang po ng siyam ang team Ignite. Do Ignite still Ignite its third consecutive win. Or maybe sinasabi ng CAS, hep, ito ang tubig, magpahinga muna kayo at kami muna mananalo. After 10 minutes basketball action, malalaman natin ito. Do CAS versus Do Ignite. Okay, CAS ball. Final 10 minutes. Roldan, J. Ramos, 12. Olea, exit number 25. Sa kabila naman, 17, 12, 48, and number 24. Not controlled. Not controlled. Ano lang. Roldan. Roldan, nagkamabasahan. Roldan. Oleya. For 3. Rebound by 48. Ayun nga lang. 2 points, 17. 65-54. Labang ng 11 na naman. Tapitan. Pops up. Kapos. 2 points, 37. 37, 2 points, 9 minutes remaining. Tao na raw, sabi. Oleya, medyo pampagod na. Number 24, nakalusot. 2 points. 2 points. 12, Dapitan for 3. Bang! 3 points. Panggising ba yan? Laman ng 8. Manalo, binabantay ni Dapitan. Foul called. Sayang. Nice try, Dapitan. Again, inbounding muli po si Manalo. 12. 22. 17. And 1 play. And 1 play given. And Manalo bonus free throw. 8 minutes 7 remaining. Manalo, first shot. No good. Rebound by Oleya. Nope. And nakuha ni Roldan ang bola. Roldan, nagmamadali. Roldan. Oleya. To Roldan again. Dapitan for 3. Kapos. Pops up. Hoy! No good. Foul number 17. Foul number 17. J. Ramos for the inbound. No, ayaw niya. Okay, dito daw sila, sabi. 12. Dapitan. Hombre. J. Ramos. Hombre. Walang pinasahan sa hombre. 12. Stepping on the line, sabi ng referee. Stepping on the line, number 1. 7 minutes, 7 seconds remaining. Cass, last time out na tinawag nila. 69-59. Laman lang 10 po ang Team Ignite. Back to the ball game. Muli po tayo yun. Roldan for the inbound. Roldan, number 1, inbounding, 23. Roldan again. Roldan, swiped away. Counter swipe by Mon. Iyan. Green ball. 6 minutes 45 remaining. Interception. Mon. And 1 play pa binigay. And 1 play pa binigay kay Mr. Mon. 2 points. Mon 2 points. Plus bonus free throw. 69-61 score. Chance again to trim the lead to 7 points. Good ball. Again, Mon. Mon again. Kapos. Amuyot. Jamuyot. And of course, now 17. 17 binabantayan. 22 against Mon. Good ball. Rebound by Olea. Green ball. Ball pa ng green. Green ball po tayo, green ball. Okay, papasok muna si Eva para kay Jamuyat, and of course, si number 31 para kay Mr. 48. Intercepted! 21, slashing away behind. 11. Roldan, ayun kay Olea. Olea mag-isa. 2 points Olea. Olea 2 points. 71-63. Lisbo! Wala. Nice one by Roldan. Roldan again for the rebound. Bino kay Olea. And one play binigay. 5 minutes 35 remaining. 71-67 score po natin. Chance again to trim further down into 5 points. Olea, bonus free throw. Olea, bonus free throw po tayo. Olea, bonus free throw. No good. Rebound by number 14. Number 14, binabatayan na to. Double team na siya. Double team. Pressure defense. Double team. Oy! Double dribble. Nice guarding by Roldan at ang kanyang Nice guarding by Roldan. Hindi handa. 17! 2 points! 17. Mon again. Olea. Same ball. Again, one more time. Mon! Rebound by 11. Roldan! Olea! Naku, sayang! One more time sana! Olea to Roldan. Olea again. Wala. Good na rin si Olea. Aspan. No good. Nalos. Nice steal by Roldan. Olea, one more time kay Olea. Easy to Olea. And timeout called by Ignite. Hustle play Roldan, checking in para sa CAS. 73-67, lamang malibo ng 6 ang team Ignite. Both teams na tag-isang timeout na lang. Ito, yan kaway. Yan po ang second game po natin The men in black, yan po ang The Mechanicos. Ikaw, kumusta? Long time no look Back to the ball game. 3 minutes 50 remaining. 7-67. Green shirts. Back to the ball game. 77, 3 minutes 50 remaining. Lamang pa rin po ng 6 ang Ignite. Ito na po. Backing violation again. Nice guard by Roldan. Nice hustle play by Roldan. Forcing the errors. Back-to-back errors po ng Ignite. Roldan to Mon. Mon. Roldan. Ole humingi ng bola. Olea. Dapitan. Dapitan. Kapos. One more time. Dapitan again. Mon. Kapos. Stripped away by Roldan. Olea. Olea. Mag-isa. Olea. Olea to Roldan. 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 Mon. Roldan. 3-second violation. Nice tough break. 3 minutes 3 remaining. 31. Lisbo. Lisbo. Binabantayan ni Mon. Mon. Nalos. Binabantayan na sa arko. Lisbo for 3. Ayaw niyo muna. Lisbo! Sayang. Lisbo. Shooting for 2. Olea. Tinuwagan ng foul. Lisbo. 2 shots given. 2 shots given. Lisbo. First shot. It's in. Second shot. Jumpers ready. Second shot. Jumpers ready para kay Lisbo. Nope, it's out. Green ball. Green ball. Nice break. Ayun! Nice cut by Lisbo. Manalo called for the foul.
40 foul, 70 foul, 7 personal foul, 40 foul.
Olea. Olea. Olea.
Aspat, Olea,
Piniwersa. Foul! Roldan. Foul on Roldan. Third personal foul ni Roldan. Collis now for the inbound. Number 22 Collis. Lisbo. Nag-aanoan sila. Magandang lab girian. 22 21. Bang! Nice shot. 2 minutes remaining. Roldan. Kapos. Iyan. Wala. Kapos pa rin. Okay, that's it. Foul! Pops up, 23. Pops up. It's in. Second shot, jumpers ready. Lamang na 12 muli ang kanina. Ngayon, 11 na lang. Nice! Olea. Nakuha. Nalos. Good ball. Nalos called for the foul. Penalty situation. Do Ignite. Natagtag lang yan. O, pagpag lang yan. Pagpag. Dapitan. Shooting for 2. Dapitan shooting for 2. First shot, Dapitan. Out. 1 minute remaining. Fourth quarter action. Second shot, Dapitan. Pops up. It's in. Laman ng siyam. Laman ng 10 rather. 37 in. 12 out. 22. Nope. Nalos. Bang! Okay, Uleya, 2 points. Safety basket na po tayo. 20 seconds remaining. Okay, that's it, I believe so. 2 points. Stepping on the line. Okay, that's it, I believe so. Okay. Congratulations! Ang third win now is Team Do Ignite.
And our best player in the game, jersey number 27.
27. Nalos again. Okay. Do Ignite now. Ignite is winner for its third win. Nakalive po tayo ha. Kawin na lang po kayo. Ito yung official photo.
Yun, okay.
Okay. Third win. Win number 3.
Win number 3.
Win number 3 by Ignite.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
POG. Ayan. Yan. Colis. POG po si Nalos. POG po is si Nalos. Preligent po is Mr. Nalos. Okay, Nalos. Nalos, 2 minutes lang. Sir Nalos, congratulations for winning the game.
Salamat sir, salamat sir.
Sir, paano na kami sir, mong nalaman kayo ng ng sa second quarter po? Paano yung sa para nabawi po, sir?
Wala sir, ano lang, ball rotation lang.
Idol!
Sino libre?
Then, yung may kasama ka na rin, si number 31 sa
Oo.
Biran sa labas.
Yun nga eh.
O sige sir, 1 minute, shoutout po, sige po.
Shoutout sa mga taga-Alto Mama, Billy Boy, pati lahat na.
Ano pa sir? Yun lang. Ano pa? 21 minute yan, pamilya, loved ones, supporters, sige po. Okay, yan po si Nalos. Maraming salamat po. So, ito po ang natapos na po. Congratulations po for Do Ignite for winning the ball game. Maraming salamat po and standby po tayo. Next game po tayo. 3, 2, 1.